Hi peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring. En soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons aan met ons bespreking oor verlede tyd. We continue with our discussion on past tense. Sin nommer 1 sê, sy is trots op haarself wanneer sy in die spieël kyk. I hope you remember that what we need to do is underline the verbs. Hier is my werkwoord is. Maar hier is nog 'n werkwoord kyk. We have two separate verbs, so we know we have two sentences. Let's look for the conjunction that joins them. Wanneer is my conjunction. Because we have a golden rule, finish one sentence before you start the next one. Let's draw a line down to remind ourselves. Okay, die eerste sin sê, sy is trots op haarself. Ons moet begin met gister, which means yesterday, which means we're doing past tense. We know that is changes to was. Verb second in the sentence, let's do it. Gister was sy trots op haarself. First sentence finished, is changes to was. But now the conjunction wanneer is a word that changes in the past tense. And in the past tense, wanneer changes to. So we need to change it to. Wanneer is group 3. So where's my verb going? To the end of the sentence. It needs to be in the past tense because the sentence is past tense. So both verbs, the head and the main verb, are going to the end. But remember the rule. The verb that comes first stays first, except for het, which always goes last. To say in die spieël gekyk het. Spieël moet ook nou 'n deelteken kry. To group 3, verbs to the end. Het always comes last. There's my main verb with ge at the beginning. Double sentences. You must finish one sentence before you start the next one. Look for your conjunction and change both sentences. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic Studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer, bly